Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, we are going to learn about multidimensional array. In last video, we have learned about arrays. We call this function multidimensional array, and this will take a variable. We'll take students. Okay, we are taking two-dimensional array. So would be okay. So it was for students. So first one is for roll number, and second one for their name, and third one is for their percentage. Okay, to get the results, to see the results, we will take logger.log. Okay, let's run this. You can run this by, okay, this is how we got the results. Okay, so in last video we have seen about how you can add, okay, if you want to add and remove it, so we'll use push function for this to add students. Push, okay, so 24th. Okay, see, we got this, and say I want to remove, so we use to remove, we use pop function for this. Student, we have removed the last one. So this is how you can remove it, but in this video we are going to learn about how you can use splice method. Okay, so in splice you can do a lot of things. Okay, how you can use splice. If you want to remove first element from your array, so you have to do something like students dot splice 0 1 is for to delete this. See, you have successfully removed it. If you want to remove second element, so we'll take 1, okay, name this remove this. If you want to remove, okay, so this is how you can remove this. And if you want to remove the last element from this, so you have to type minus. Okay, so let me just a second. Remove last. You have to type -1 1. See, we have removed this last one. Okay, so this is how you can remove this. If you want to remove two elements from this, okay, so we are removing one element. If you want to remove two elements, okay, what you can do, students dot splice. Okay, we are removing from first, so we'll type 2. So here you have type 2 for this. See, we have successfully removed two elements. To add elements, for this we will see how you can remove all elements. Okay, students the splice. If you type 0, you can type 0 or 0. So remove all. Oh, okay, it will do nothing. Okay, if you type 0 it will do nothing, but if you type just 1 0, so it will remove everything. See. Okay, so now we will going to see how you can add elements. To add elements, so we have seen, like, if we add we type 0 0, if I enter this, so it will change nothing here. So if I add elements here after this, so it will add elements. Therefore, and percentage would be 70. So it's added this element on the first position. Okay, so if I want to add it in second position, I have to type this. See, it is in second position. If I want to add replace the element, so I can, you have to define this. So if I want to replace the first one, so I'll type 0. Okay, so I want to replace this. If I type 1, actually it replace the second. Actually we are not replacing it, we are, okay, if you want to replace it now, so you have to type 1 here. First element. If I want to replace the second element, I'll type this. So it's replaced the second element. And let's say I want to put it in the last position. So how you can do it? Okay, to add last student splice, so we have to get the color length, oh sorry, the student length, dot length 0 0 because we want to add it, right? And then we have to type this. Okay, if I enter, so it should be at last. Okay, so this is how you can perform this. Okay, so this is how you can perform slice in 2D array. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this will help you. In next video we are going to learn how you can insert in Google Sheet 2D array in Google Sheet, and how you can get it from Google Sheet and use it in array. So thanks for watching this.